If you're looking for a delicious crepes recipe, this video is for you. Why should you buy crepes or eat it in a restaurant if you can make it at home? And even you're going to introduce it in a very special way. I really like crepes because it doesn't take a long time to make and you don't have to wait a long time after making it. It's so easy and simple dish. And what it's really wonderful, you can fill it whatever you want, whatever you prefer. I fill it this time with cream and fruits and I cover it with this chocolate. And if you have any party, it's going to be a wonderful dish. Some people always ask me, why did you make everything at home? Why don't you buy it from market or from restaurant? My answer is, I like to make everything at home. It's really so wonderful when you make a dish and your family love it, or when you make a dish with love, you're going to forget you're whole tired. Let's see together how we're going to make this nice dish. At the beginning, I'll need 2.5 cups of milk, 4 eggs, small or big, it doesn't matter. It also doesn't matter if the eggs are cold or warm. 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon salt, 2 envelopes vanilla, 2 tablespoons butter, and at the end I'm going to add the flour. 2 cups of flour will be enough. I put the whole ingredients in the mixer and I'm going to mix it for 3 minutes. I should mix it well because I don't want the flour to turn to balls. When I see there's no flour anymore, I turn off the mixer. The mixture should be thick like this. I'm going to put some oil in a pan and I'm going to put a little bit from the mixture in the pan. This quantity is enough. I'll start to spreading it out and wait some seconds. And when I see that the surface is dry and his color is changed to a yellow color, when I see it's ready, I'm going to lift it up using any flat spoon. It's so easy. Of course, we should use unsticky pan to make crepes. That will make the work easier. Look at this beautiful golden color. I put it on the other side only for 2 or 3 seconds, not more. I'm going to make the whole quantity the same until it's finished. You should work fast because you don't want to burn your crepes. And the stove temperature should be in the middle to get a wonderful result. I got from the mixture 12 pieces of crepes. It's so yummy. Now I'm going to fill the crepes. I took 1 piece and I'm going to fill it. I added some whipping cream and some kind of fruits like mango, pineapple, kiwi, banana, raspberry, and you can choose any kind of fruit that you prefer to put it in the crepes. Or you can choose another fill. It's your decision. And when I'm finished, I'm going to close it at this nice way with a wood stick. It's just like stitching with a needle. It's so easy way and wonderful way at the same time. Don't tell me now it's hard. I explained it very well. Now I'm almost finished. Look at it. It's wonderful. So yummy and delicious. I want to decorate my crepes. I used chocolate cream. It will be perfect with my crepes. And if you like to cover it with something else, of course it's your decision. It will be perfect anyway. I'm just like it with chocolate cream. It's suitable to the taste. It will give a nice flavor to the crepes. But that not mean you should only use chocolate cream. Of course, you can choose how you decorate it and what you're going to cover it with. At the end, I hope that you enjoyed my video today, and I hope that you like the recipe. It's really wonderful. I want you to try it and tell me how it was. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. I will be so happy to answer it. I'm going to put the whole ingredients in the description box under the video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I wish you to be happy and healthy and good. See you in a new video and a new recipe very soon. Bye bye.